Daddy said, another tree.
Daddy said what?
Oh.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi. Welcome to this one.
Yeah? Can you look at me?
I say cheese.
You say cheese. Can I see what we're going to open?
Yeah.
This is the Sky Delta 52 Poly Delta Kite. 52 inches wide. This is the Despicable Me Minion.
Look at him.
Fun to fly.
He's freaking out.
Ready to fly. Sky trails included. Nice. It's a one piece, so there's not much assembling. Can I see the instructions?
Yeah.
It says assembly instructions. Few things to do. There's some flying instructions, and there's some kite safety, so you can be very safe when you're flying this kite. What are we gonna do? We're gonna open it?
Yeah!
We're gonna
Unbox it!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Is Raymond James ready?
Yeah!
Alright. So how do we open this? I think just up here. We're gonna open it. Oh! I think I got it. I think I got it. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are we?
Yeah!
Ready? Okay, so that is, I think that's the handle.
Oh, that's a crane.
Yeah.
That's a crane.
Is that a crane?
Yeah.
And whoa, looks like we have a big kite here.
Put it on.
Put it on. We're gonna assemble it. Here we go. Wow, what a big kite. It is one of the minions. We'll get a better look in a second, okay? So these go
Who
here.
is it, Raymond?
Is that Dave?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. So this is assembled and possibly ready.
One. Half your.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Show me this. Can you hold this so we can see what it looks like? And can we see where's Raymond James? There he is! Are we ready to try and fly it outside?
Yeah.
Is everyone gonna come and see? Say, come on, come with me.
Come with me.
We're gonna fly this kite.
Oh, right away.
All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.